Hello final student of class 9th. In this video we will start our chapter 4 of geography, and the chapter name is India, its climate. That is, we have to study the weather and climatic condition of India. So let's start this chapter. First, before understanding the climate, we need to understand what is weather. So weather is defined as the state of atmosphere of a particular area at a specific time. Note this point, at a specific time. This is known as weather. Weather is defined as the state of atmosphere at a specific time, while climate is the sum total of weather conditions and variation as well over a large area for a longer period of time. So if we talk about the climate, it includes sum total of weather condition, variation also, and also for a long period of time. So this is the difference between weather and climate. Now, weather condition changes within a few hours. However, climate, for example, days are cool or hot, wet or dry, follows a certain pattern for a longer period. As I told you, the climate follow a longer pattern, while weather is changes within a few hours can change. So on the basis of the climatic pattern, the year can be divided into different seasons like winter, summer, spring, autumn or rainy season. So this is all about the climate and weather. Now let's take India. What type of climate that India experiences? So India experiences the tropical monsoon type of climate. Note it in your mind. Tropical monsoon type of climate India experiences. During summer season, the temperature around in India can vary from 10 to 50 degrees centigrade. So the general pattern of climate of India is a monsoon type of climate, but you can find the regional variation within the region. For example, during summer season, Rajasthan desert experiences 50 degrees centigrade, while the hilly areas in the same season in the north, it experiences almost 20 degrees centigrade. So this is the variation of 30 degree. In the desert area, it may be about 10 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade at night. So in desert itself experiences a variation in day temperature as well as in night temperature. So this is the difference. Now in contrast to this, the difference between the day and night temperature is almost negligible in the coastal area. So this is the variation you are seeing how India experiences in different areas. So this is all about. Now talking about the precipitation, the distribution of precipitation in India is also uneven throughout the year. While the annual rainfall in Meghalaya is about 400 centimeter annually, while it is only 10 centimeter in Rajasthan desert. So this is the difference and variation. The interior parts of India experiences very hot summer and cold winters, while the coastal area enjoys an equable type of climate, that is not very much hot in summer and not very cold in your winter season. That is equable type of climate. So this is all about the climate, weather condition and the variation that we see in India at different places, that is on hill area, in Rajasthan desert area or in coastal area, what are the distribution of rainfall and variation in temperature. So this is all about understanding the climate of India. In next video we will discuss the other topics. So thank you students, thank you very much.